This is the assignment number 4, Zigbee controlled iRobot by Ariel Kohlsrud and Luis Sanchez. In this assignment, the main objective is to have a way to control a robot through a Zigbee connection. For this, we have a remote control made with the Nordic nRF51 Mbed microcontroller and the DGXB S2C Zigbee module. The remote control also includes an accelerometer, and the signals from the accelerometer are used to control the speed and direction of the robot. The remote controls the robot's speed and direction. Moving the remote forward makes the robot go forward. If the remote is inclined, then the speed increases. If the remote is tilted back, then the robot goes reverse. If the remote is tilted right, the robot will go right. If the remote is tilted left, the robot will go left. In the robot side, the robot moves following the remote control, except when the ultrasonic sensor in the robot detects an obstacle in front. When the obstacle is detected, the robot stops moving to avoid collision. When an obstacle is detected, a signal is transmitted back to the remote and the LEDs in the remote light up. Let's see this in action. We have the remote control side here. Here we can find the nRF51 Nordic microcontroller board. This is mainly used for PLE, but in this case we are not using this. This is the accelerometer LSM303, and this is the Zigbee module. So the microcontroller board here is getting signals from the accelerometer, and depending on the software, it's using the Zigbee to transmit on the other end to the remote robot. When we move the remote this way, downwards, the robot will go forward. If we remove it back, if we move it back, the robot will go reverse, and if we move it and tilt it, the robot will add the two movements and will go this way in a turn, and the same on the other side and on reverse as well. So here we have the robot. On top we can find the BeagleBone as the main controller, and we can see the radar system composed of the LPC1768 Mbed microcontroller, and this one is getting signals from the ultrasonic sensor on the front, communicating this as obstacle detection to the BeagleBone. And the BeagleBone is using the Zigbee module, which we can find here, as a transmission means to the remote control. So right now we have the remote control here, and we have a dead man button here in the remote control, and we will push it. And well, first of all, we will push the music button here, and we'll listen to the music playing. Yep, there it is. So we do again. Yep, alright. So next we start pushing, leaning forward and pressing, and then we can see that it's getting, and then we stop and we stop it, and then we can do it back. Same button, but the accelerometer going on the other side, and we can see it going reverse. So we stop, and then we can go lean the remote this way, which is going to make it turn left, and that's not, oh okay, it did move it, but I was leaning it reversed, so it was going reverse as well. So now I'll lean it forward and to the left, and that should make it move forward, but it's already detecting some obstacle, and so that is making it stop and making the LEDs blink in the remote. Okay, no obstacle now. Okay, there is obstacle, so I will have to move it to avoid the obstacle. Okay, so here we have the robot, and here we have the remote control. We will demonstrate the turn now. So we will press a button, and at the same time we will rotate the controller to the right side, and we can see it slowly making a turn until it finds an obstacle. There, it's making a turn. Yep. I moved the, okay, there, we can continue making a turn. There it goes. Okay, we'll stop and then make a turn on the other side. We'll stop. We'll do it on the reverse. Yep, it's turning very well. Stop, and we'll make it go forward again, and a little towards us. And also we can see the variation in the speed. Slow. Okay, let's make it back, reverse, slow, slowly. Now we have placed an object in the front, so this will stop the robot. So we move forward. We're moving forward. And we can see that it stopped and the LEDs in the remote are blinking.